fast question. Ready? Then them lock.
Yeah, me faster than that. She go up fast.
Yes, she faster.
What do I prefer? Beach or river? Mamba, baby!
Welcome everybody, this is AC gang. Me name Abbi aka Good Gal.
And your boy Capo there from Capo's TV. Subscribe, like, share, join the family.
Cause we vibe say mad and extra. Achoo!
Whoa!
Welcome to the mad crew. And the summer sun say woo.
What's up, AC gang? We know the good girl, Abbi.
And the boy Capo there.
Back with another blazing video. So people, as you can see by the title.
Today we'll be doing How Well You Know Me? Girlfriend versus Mother edition.
Right. So before we jump into the video here, we want to give a big shout out to
Queen Kerry.
Queen Kerry, guys. She do cook videos.
Motivational videos.
Overall, she just do be an auto video. So guys, we want to run, go over there, go subscribe to Queen Kerry.
Yeah, tell us your Abbi and Capo.
And we want to go over to our comedy channel, Abbi and Capo Comedy TV.
Go over to Abbi's Madness.
Oh, the good girl answer. I want to go over to Capo's
Capo's TV.
And remember, follow Panagram.
Right, that's the people.
So no further talking.
Let's flick into the video.
Alright guys, so you know we're going to introduce a special guest now in 3, 2, 1.
Yes.
Hello people. Yeah, so guys, as you can see beside me, twin the right so.
We're not so bad, Abbi.
Yeah? twin is right here. Yes, I'm the outcast.
If you guys follow my page, you're not supposed to stay up on my channel already. Yeah, so Capo's TV, go subscribe.
Yeah, right sure. So guys, basically, Capo have some questions. Me don't know the question, and I don't know him and him mother the outside and so, you know, so I'm not sure if him pinch her, so I don't know.
No, pinch me, I don't know it either.
Perfect. So
yeah guys, the time kind of hot, that's why we're there.
Sweat people. I put more with the guys. Hot over here.
Yeah, but all over here, buddy, we are bono. Yeah, we are the challenge, we are bono.
So guys, don't further talking. I have 15 questions for ask. I'm going to see who actually know better. Them question people, they both supposed to know it. So some fear we are played fear. So I don't know, Abbi not gonna know, or mother not gonna know. So I see who really know the question.
So we are gonna ask a question and then we're gonna buzz her first or what?
Anybody say it first, so them get it right.
Alright, good.
Yeah, so who first say it, I want to write. So now we know say a speed challenge. The first question. Easy question this. What year did I graduate from Vauxhall High?
Bing! You graduated Vauxhall High in
2012.
Correct, oh.
No, people, that's a cheat. No, I'm press the buzzer. I was talking. You can't interrupt someone while they're talking. No, people, no, talk to. I was talking.
So wait, what? Buzzer, beep and then...
I beeped.
Okay.
And then I was talking. And then you guys caught me cheating.
Alright. So, alright, then press buzzer. So,
yeah, we press both. Yeah.
Then the ear see me a circle.
Yeah, then the ear.
Alright, so right now, mommy, buzzer.
Yeah.
Right now, second question.
Yeah.
What is my favorite sports brand?
Bing! Adidas.
Correct.
Wait,
I go say. You're not supposed to know this if you don't really know what I'm going. So, how many times have I ever voted in an election?
2 times.
Correct, though.
I told that come here to lie.
How much time?
Yeah, the way I lie, I swear.
So, how far now? Abbi have one?
Be a 2 thief.
Mommy have one.
Which one did you take? Which one did you take? 27 you take? You never say.
So, Abbi win that one there. That's buzzer section, you know. If you answer before you press the buzzer, then I count. What is my favorite genre of music?
Bing! Reggae?
No.
Hip hop.
Dancehall.
Keep a Bailey to dance people. Every minute me now sing Rasta people sing that song. I swear.
Dancehall, Abbi, really? So, everybody that one there, right? Alright, now. Who was my favorite wrestler growing up?
Yeah, man, answer.
Yeah, right.
Hold on.
Wait, man.
We don't know nothing about wrestling.
Come with him again.
Which one?
Stone Cold Steve Austin.
No.
And a rock.
No, I'm not rock. Anytime rock and wrestle me, but me live little in time.
Is that what your favorite capper? You didn't tell me this.
Alright, mama give up. John Cena.
John Cena?
Yeah. Rocking ideas.
John Cena.
Okay now. Next question, I'm a youth.
Yeah.
There are 2 cartoons I love. Name them.
Bing!
I'm a little, you know, 2.
Jack and Bazi.
Yeah.
And
She right so far.
and Goku.
I bet you. I think she's right, you know. Come on, one more.
Jack and Bazi and SpongeBob.
Boy, if you don't.
Yeah, I'm lose that fire. Brighty.
Which cartoon you use to watch? I wish I
You want to next one? Jack and Bazi. I'm going to reach that probably high school and start watching it hard. Run come here and come watch it on TVJ.
Remember.
Alright, Avatar.
Avatar.
But Abbi get half a pint for that one day.
Yeah,
Because she get that part there.
Yes, we used to sleep on the couch in the Abbi, so we used to lie down. Like
Yeah.
Avatar.
Avatar tell me say I must jump over something and not act like somebody.
Yes.
There you go, cool.
Yeah.
I remember.
Alright, now next question, people. So far, who a lead?
Me.
Abbi a lead, yeah. Alright. Which type of vehicle you prefer? SUV or sedan, which is low vehicle?
SUV.
Okay, correct. Though.
But them talk about them something here, so.
But
Yes.
I guess my guess.
I like them talk about what kind of car I'm gonna buy when them get rich.
No, sir.
So
But I
subscribe
can't
so that
get
them can get
them
research, can get that.
You wanna
can
tell
get it.
them to subscribe? Tell them again, mommy.
Subscribe so that them can buy it.
In a year.
Yeah, I watch it. That's what
Yeah.
they get little views and so.
Yeah, so them can get in car with him, love. Yeah.
Yeah. Next question, no. What do you nothing a story, but I never gonna say story, because I tell a story, she probably remember. So anyway, the question I ask right now. How my first name spell? Spell it.
Oh, your first name spell? RICKORDO.
That's it, man.
Should I mention answer? Okay, should they spell it right?
People.
But I tell you right this time, no.
My name, mother said my name wrong for my birthday. I didn't love. But the truth is, well, guys, story time. You know, say I'm in a 6th form. I get the right spelling of my name. Some of the 6 is my wrong name spelling. You can't believe it. I'll do that one again.
And I make you look at me can't spell. Don't we? Don't we?
We don't say you can't spell, just never spell my name right. And it's weird, still it's weird, so I understand why. Next question, no. I've been telling this already. Mom is supposed to know this car. You understand? So, when I was little, I used to go to the country to stay with my grandmother, right? And my great-grandfather gave me one cow. What the cow name? Abbi, ask this already, you know. What cow name? You think I remember them? What my cow name? Yeah, come back to my nana. What my cow name?
Mom, I never believe it when time you tell me.
Alright.
I lie you tell. I know you come back with the same
My
man.
child give me a cow, my little.
Brownie?
No. Abbi, what do you think you cow name? The first part I cow name start with SH.
Sheila.
Yeah.
Sheila.
Yeah, so the cow name. Mommy, Abbi be there, so.
Which call it? Which call it Sheila?
Years ago. I only my years ago, man. So Abbi been that against Abbi I go on herself. Alright now. It's important, people. Which food am I allergic to?
None.
What you say? What you say?
If I say if Kepa ever pick something else, people Kepa allergic to no food. I never yet seen allergic.
Try to see if we can tell one lie.
Kepa not allergic. People Kepa them everything.
I find the food I'm allergic to it. Only thing that say, I want them to look at me, me, that alone. From me go up, I never find them to sit me. No
I
food.
say if any ever say something else.
So Abbi don't want that.
Go allergic.
Alright. What year did I stop working at Sutherland Global, the car center? Which year did I stop right there?
2015.
2019.
Yeah.
2018?
No.
No, almost 2014.
2017.
17.
Yes. Yeah. Upon you, we don't know you, but somebody go on the one after that, we buy you, different.
Oh, I think my car center overall, man.
No.
I think my car center overall.
6 months.
I went in the fly out.
Yeah,
Without me, I
2019.
think more.
I'm not bad.
Abbi supposed to know this.
Don't laugh.
Even though she never give me, she's supposed to know it. Know it too. Cause, yeah, when I grew up, she used to buy it. 2 of them I want to give me an answer for. What are my 2 favorite porridge for drink?
Cornmeal and peanut
Cream and wheat.
Cream and wheat.
What you say? No, because 2 of them say some things that make sense, so I want to hear it.
Cornmeal and peanut porridge.
Alright, what you say?
Cream and wheat.
I know.
Yeah, you can't just let me this.
2. Ready now?
Cream of wheat with burger in it.
No, cream of wheat and then water type.
Oh, how many kinds?
2.5 right. Cream of wheat and peanut. Maybe I buy cream of wheat from up on the man for cooking, you know.
Yeah, me know.
Although she not like cooking, she always knows how to type me like.
But I don't know how to cook it.
So yeah, them two there.
You know cook cream of wheat?
I've never do it before. I be a caramel.
They can't miss cook.
It's not much different from caramel.
Oh, I never tried.
No, like try new things sometime, you know.
Follow me alone now.
Ready now, where the question them going? Okay guys, so the next question is two-part question. What is my favorite football team and the favorite player I have?
Man U and Watford!
Do not team nothing.
Alright, me and Garrett.
I don't see
We
that.
have one team, Man U and the player with after one favorite team and the favorite player. So she get it right. Me and
Get
Garrett.
it right!
Yeah,
I put
come on.
somebody else. Can be a Rashford in that one.
You can't know that they live together.
Be a Rashford. I said, man, though.
Yeah man, you do right man. Which country would I wish to go for vacation?
One Spanish country.
You know, each other?
Mexico. That's my answer.
Mexico? Yeah.
Paris.
No sir.
Where you want to go?
No, no.
Paris. Paris in the country.
The only country I always say that I want to go for vacation still and I just feel like...
Yeah, but you're where the tower there?
I never take the manga France yet.
France.
No sir.
Yeah, but you tell me, I yourself, you want to migrate over there, so.
France! We can't even speak French.
Exactly, they say you want to go for
Spain, I
somewhere.
understand.
No. Tell the truth, that's the capo.
England.
Capo
Just
lie.
go watch ball game. The vacation them don't go on. So yeah.
So you go for vacation just watch
What
ball game?
sports? Yeah man, them travel vacation there.
Oh yeah, go by yourself.
So you know that ball game?
No, she not suited for that football.
Oh, you went to
What they go
road?
I should have endure the person. I'm going to Gladys man. I'm turn a football play.
I can't make me couldn't do that. That's what I said. I watch.
You want to see her? So
Remember you said
yeah,
like
no. Oh, Neymar. Me say yeah. I should have asked my question, but the match I'm answer now. Enjoy the match. I'm say, hey man, I rap this come from birthday.
And then so we are going for Olympics. Go on.
Oh boy. Okay, guys, the final question. Very easy. So it's easy, you know. So people, more than go so afraid to press the button, you know, people. Cause it's easy, you know. Quick and fast question. You ready?
Yeah.
Then them lock.
Yeah, be faster than that. She are going fast.
Yes, she faster.
What do I prefer? Beach or river? Beach or river?
Beach.
Beach, mommy.
It's a very fast. It's a very fast. Right?
Mommy, me should be there. I said, mommy,
Say you want to win.
no, but just expect it for the fast.
But
So
tell
I
you.
say, no, I'm out because
I told you.
Wait, say, my
It's a
answer.
river though.
River, oh, you're right, man.
But no, she said beach, so she lose. Yeah.
Okay, guys.
I will lose the challenger.
This is the end of the challenge.
Yeah.
So far, let me tally the scores.
Tell her the score right you.
People keep in mind that they live together.
Keep in mind a she-bird team.
Keep in mind that when you live together,
Keep in mind I just know about him.
people.
I just know him. I don't know nothing. I just know
From when I
him.
got high school, one for that years.
Mommy, how much I get in one?
4.
Want a bonus?
Like what two would actually know so.
Don't actually know, say no.
Let me
I
ask
don't
you.
know.
Alright, I'll ask you now, Tom Ed. What's my favorite?
That's it.
Yeah, man, I know, it's a ton of know it, you know. What's my favorite black actor?
Okay.
You're supposed to know, because you see me watch TV.
And me and him never discussed this. Kevin had a favorite black actor.
And a Western Snipe.
And a Kevin had.
No. Come on, people.
Will Smith.
Yes. If you talk, you must find one. So guys,
this is the end of the challenge. So if you enjoyed this challenge, make sure you hit that button.
yeah, man.
I feel bad.
section.
I feel bad.
Yeah. But then once when that good girl step up, good girl always win.
Guys, if you want a part 2, just make it know, you know. And don't forget to subscribe to our comedy channel.
Abbi and Kerry Comedy TV.
Go back to Abbi's Madness and go
On
subscribe.
a good girl answer.
And subscribe to Capos TV.
Yeah, dirty boy when name Kerry. Remember follow on the gram.
Down below.
That's
Yeah, guys, and comment if you want some more up on channel look more.
Yeah. Forget beat
Hopefully
up.
next time we can redeem ourselves, you know.
Yeah. Part
guys.
2. So until
I'm
then.
going to study.
You don't need to study, come bright! Yeah, girl.
So until then,
AC gang is
oh.
bye.